my name is Alessia Cavazos and I'm a library specialist in community and outreach. Welcome to part 2 in a 3-part series on conducting research for our 1302 English course. In this presentation, we will be focusing on strategies for searching databases, including how to save a full-text PDF, how to narrow down for peer-reviewed sources, and how to generate a citation. A good place to start with your research is our UTA Libraries search bar. Our search bar does a good job of filtering down a lot of the most commonly searched databases. In the next few slides, I will be showing you the best way to navigate our database. The first step is to go to our libraries webpage, libraries.uta.edu. As you can see from the orange arrow, I have pointed to where the search bar is located, just above the header titled Locations. This is where you will type in your search terms. For my hypothetical paper, I am interested in answering how mental health has been affected by the COVID-19 crisis. So, just to start, I will type in COVID-19. The next page that populates once you hit enter gives you a variety of options so that you can more easily find exactly what you're looking for. In our case, books and articles are going to be our best bet for finding whatever it is we need for our papers. But since COVID-19 is such a new and hot topic, I will be clicking on articles. With 2 orange arrows, I am showing you where to click in order to get access to these results. If you clicked on the See More for books and media, it would filter the results to just books and media. Similarly, if you click on the See More arrow for articles, it will show you just articles. This tool can be helpful if you're looking for a specific kind of resource, but you can always change your filter later. Now that we know how to conduct a basic search, let's take a look at how we can narrow it down further. To the left of the screen, where the orange arrows are pointing, you will see the option to refine your search. Here, I suggest clicking on Full Text Online and Peer Reviewed. This will ensure that any result you come across can be easily downloaded as a PDF and has been peer-reviewed, meaning that academics from the field that your topic covers have gone over the article and approved it for publishing. Now, once you've found an article that you really enjoy, let's see how we can download it as a PDF. After a little bit of searching, I found an article that looked interesting to my topic. In order to download it, I am going to click where the orange arrow is pointing to Full Text Online. You will then be led to a new landing page. This gives you options to cite, email, and print the article. But if you simply want to download it, look under the header of Full Text Availability and click where the orange arrow is pointing to Nature. This is the name of the journal or magazine that the article comes from, and it will be different with each article depending on where it is coming from. By clicking on this, you will be led to the journal's source page. From here, you can see that this article comes from the Nature Research Journal. The layout of this journal is much like a magazine, and all research journals do not always have a PDF download button. But you can simply copy and paste the entire thing into a Word document and then print it off or save it. Let's try another example. I am simply back on my original search page. In order to get the PDF for this text, I am going to click where the orange arrow is pointing on Full Text Online. This time, I was immediately brought to the article's source page. As you can see from the orange arrow, there is an option to download this article as a PDF. Clicking on this will start the download and the article will be saved to your computer. Once you've found your articles and think you might use them for your assignments, you will need to be able to cite them. While you should always double-check your citations against the current edition of standards, there are shortcuts on many databases that you can use to generate a citation. Let's take a look at how to do that now. Look closely at where the orange arrows are pointing. You will notice that there is a quotation mark icon. You can click on this to generate a citation. Most databases have a similar button. Some of them also look like a quotation mark, while others will look like a yellow sticky note. I've clicked on the quotation mark for the second article. As you can see, a pop-up has come up with the header, Choose a Citation Format. If we click on the drop-down menu, indicated by the orange arrow, it will show us all the different citation styles to choose from. We will scroll through these and select MLA as indicated by the orange arrow. And now you can see that the citation has been generated. From here, you can copy and paste the citation and save it in your Word documents. Thank you so much for participating in this workshop. In the next session, Part 3, we will be going over databases that will help you learn more about the history and points of view on your topic.